Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to time these really quick in under a minute. Just point out all the main details. Gen 3 Hemi VVT, number 1 cylinder up on the driver's side, top dead center. Turn your little alignment dial on your cam straight up to match here. You'll have a little notch in the back of your cam gear. Make sure that slides on the cam really good and doesn't pinch or bind. Okay, everything is timed. 2 color links will straddle the top dot on the top cam gear that I colored in. The bottom will have a single dot and it'll be lined up with a single colored link on the chain, just like that. And your bottom cam gear will be slightly off to the side, and top dead center on the VVT Hemi. A lot of people get confused because the non-VVTs are straight down. But cam bolt torques to 90 foot-pounds on all Gen 3 Hemis. Use a little bit of Loctite. The rear cam thrust plate, the bolts torque to 106 inch-pounds. Your chain tensioners, 100 inch-pounds on the bolts. Use Loctite. And your oil pump bolts will torque to 168 inch-pounds. Use a little bit of Loctite, and I like to take a little bit of indent head, just very, very thin coat around right here where the oil pump will go. But that's how you time a Gen 3 Hemi. I have plenty of videos of how to build a Gen 3 Hemi on my channel. Check it out.